Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the most unforgettable 10-day escape, one I didn't even know I truly needed. I tagged along with my bestie to celebrate her mom's 60th birthday, and let me tell you, Greece had always been at the top of my bucket list. We started with the beautiful, dreamy Santorini, and yes, it was everything the pictures promise and more. Blue domes, the alleys, the beautiful sunsets. Oh my god, but the real magic, you guys, it is definitely slowing down. Full-time working mom, it is so hard just to be still, but here I finally allow myself to breathe. After an amazing time in Santorini, the next stop was gonna be Naxos, you guys. It's a little underrated, but let me tell you, the island, it's absolutely beautiful. From black sand beaches to wine tasting in the mountains, Naxos gave me a taste of simplicity and pure joy. It reminded me how important it is to reconnect with the world and myself. Then our last island stop was Mykonos. The sun, the music, the fashion, the fun. It was the hot girl chapter of this trip, and honestly, I show up for it. To end the trip, I did a 24-hour layover in Paris because why not? One last adventure before heading home, one last reminder that I am allowed to live, explore, and dream, not just for my kids, my job or responsibilities, but for me. Was it hard being away from my kids for 10 days? Absolutely. But I learned that taking care of myself isn't selfish, it is a necessary. I came back more grounded, more inspired, and more me. Greece and Paris, thanks for reminding me who I am outside of the hustle. This wasn't just a trip, it was a reset, a love letter to myself. Thanks for watching, babes. If you're dreaming of a little escape, consider this your sign. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Take it. Until next time.